Rahim, the Honorable Convener of Muttahida Qawmi Movement, Pakistan, the Honorable Members, Provincial Assembly and National Assembly, the distinguished members of Bar Council, President Quetta Bar Association, senior advocates, all the distinguished members of Bar, I feel honored and privileged to be here at this forum. And I am extremely grateful to the General Secretary, High-Court Bar Association, for providing me an opportunity to speak to such prestigious gathering. We welcome the leadership of Muttahida Qawmi Movement to the High Court Bar Association, and we expect such kind of visit to the province and to the High Court Bar Association in future as well. Through these visits, one can understand the problems and the issues of the people, and one can reach to the fair conclusion and to the fair solution to the problems and issues. So far as the issues here in Balochestan are concerned, the problems, the list of the issues and the problems is very long. If I start reading it, there will be no end to it. It will go on and on. So I'll highlight only one issue due to the shortage of time. That is the most important issue which the people of Balochistan is facing. That issue. That is the issue of missing persons. What we say if a person is criminal or involved in criminal activities or expected in criminal activities, he should be tried in courts instead of being forcibly taken away. So we expect from the leadership of Muttahida Qawmi Movement to raise this issue at every forum, especially the National Assembly forum, that the solution of these issues and problems is not the gun and is not the force. These issues can only be solved through dialogue. And secondly, like we all have offered a Fatiha for the martyrs of 8th August 2016. The carnage of Loya on 8th August 2016 at Civil Hospital, Quetta, in which we lost 56 prominent lawyers, and more than 96 lawyers were seriously injured, and the repercussions of the same we are feeling so far. Since the injured have not been recovered, they are still taking the treatment. And that brutal attack had crippled the legal fraternity of this province. and created a gap, the generation gap here. We don't have any alternative for the same. We don't have any substitute for the same. The only expectation which we have for the same, the young lawyers, that is the biggest asset of our province. So we therefore, we need the help from the provincial government and from the federal government. We want them to study in the best universities of the world. So since, and especially the help of law minister, since the law minister belongs to the Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan, and we request the Dr. Saab to take up this issue, to discuss this issue with Farooq Naseem Saab, we will be very thankful to you. So thank you so much.